Children dying, mama's crying. What's going on? Yeah, that's my song. You don't like it? Get over it. Hey, this is Big Mill. Just wanted to reach out to you and talk to you about something. About sometimes, you know, I go places and people come up to me after programs and kids in tears because things are going on in their life that sometimes they don't know how to handle. And one of the things that bothers me is that there's so many people who think I'm never supposed to feel bad. How come? Because we turn on the TV, and what do you see on the TV? There's somebody right in your face who's either selling you something to clean something with, or they're trying to tell you you're never supposed to feel bad. If you got a headache, take this pill. If you got cramps, take this pill. If your stomach's bothering you other than cramps, take this pill or drink this tonic right here. We end up thinking that you're never supposed to feel bad. I gotta be straight with you. The other day, I wasn't feeling good. I had a little bit of a stomach thing going on. I don't know what it was, but I know it wasn't that sushi I ate because I love sushi. But it was something going on with my stomach. And you know what I did? I didn't take anything for it. You know what I did? I laid down, I took a nap. When I woke up from the nap, I felt fine. And so all I'm saying is that every time something's wrong, you don't need to take a pill. You don't need to drink something. Sometimes your body is telling you that maybe you need rest. Sometimes your body is telling you that you're letting something bother you too much. You don't always have to take medication. And you know why I'm saying that? You know why I'm saying it, because some of you have friends right now. Girlfriend breaks up with him, he wants to go get drunk. How come? So he'll feel better, or won't feel at all, won't feel what's going on. Somebody gets sick that he knows, mom is sick, mom's in the hospital. What happens? Let's go smoke a joint. How come? So I won't think about it. But think about it this way. Do you really think that's what your mom wants you to do if she's down, is to go get high? Do you really think that if you just broke up with your girl or broke up with your guy, the thing you ought to do then is go get drunk? Come on now. Sometimes it's supposed to hurt. I've been quit by girls before. Now, I don't know why they did. Look at me. I am, but I've been quit by girls before, and you know what? It felt bad. It was supposed to feel bad. Why? Because I really cared for them. But I don't need to get drunk. I don't need to get high, and neither do you. Think about what you're doing. Anyway, y'all, I gotta go. Holla.
Life, lessons, we live.